It's 5:30 AM. It's the day of the ultimate German car meet, and it's more like the ultimate day for a washout, to be honest. We've just had a most almighty storm overnight. Tons of rain, flooding, and I'm off to a car show. This is the third car show this year, and this is the third time it's been a washout. I haven't actually had a sunny car show at all in 2024. My God, look, there's flooding. Whoa! I don't think I'm going to have a clean car when I get there. Right, first stop, South Mims, meet up with a few guys there. Second stop is going to be Beaconsfield services. And then the third stop to pick up the final people and the majority of people on the Audi TT ADDICTS stand for today is going to be at Warwick services. So most of the team's going to be there. We've had a few dropouts already due to car issues, weather, and some other bits and pieces, but other than that, I think we've still got around 33 cars turning up. It was originally 38, but I think we're up to 33 at the moment, but we haven't got there yet. So let's see exactly how many people turn up on our stand. Right, I'll catch you guys on the way. So here we are at Beaconsfield, stop 2. We've got quite a few TTs here, as you can see behind me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now the next stop is going to be at Warwick services. So hopefully we can pick up the rest of the team there. But everyone's just meeting each other, having a bit of a chinwag. And yeah, we'll catch you at stop 3.